It is 1 a.m. and we have finally made it to our room at Pop Century Resort in Disney World. Let's take a quick room tour and I'll tell you why we absolutely love staying here at Pop Century. This is just the standard room at Pop Century. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy. We have a queen bed with a queen Murphy bed pull down. You just pull that down right there and it comes all the way out, but you can also keep it up for the table, which is what we're gonna do since it's just me and Luke. So we're just gonna sleep in one bed. One nice little touch they always do is welcome Wise family, which I love. It's kind of like the Disney treatment, right? It's little things that count. There's a bed, a little bit of a Disney touch up there. That's one thing about here is it's not like you just feel like you're inside a Disney movie, which for some, not great. For some, they love it. So bathroom, simple. You've got your soap. You've got a little ironing board if you need it, a place to hang some clothes if you want to. You've got your bathroom, simple. You always have your soap, conditioner, shampoo, which is always really nice. The only frustrating thing is that keeps you from being able to get too much, but it works and it's easy for everybody to use. There is a mini fridge as well, which is really nice. So you can bring some waters and drinks to take into the park with you. There is a little bit of coffee and tea. Honestly, I don't know. People always say don't use that in hotels, so I don't know that I would, but it's a great spot to put some stuff if you need to. This front counter also has plenty of plug space for both normal and USB plugs. You plug in your phone, watch, Magic Band, whatever you need here, which is super great. There's also plugs on both sides of the nightstands, which is helpful. And lastly, the air does bump down all the way to 62, so you can get it cold in this room if you want to. So that's it. It's a very, very simple room. We love staying here because it's still very reasonably priced, but has access to the Skyliner, the gondola, which our two favorite parks are Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Sorry, I'm whispering, it's 1 a.m. Probably closer to 2 at this point, I don't even know. But the gondola, Skyliner, takes you directly into Epcot and Hollywood Studios. And no matter how long that line is, because the gondola is always moving, it's so fast. I mean, we were here like 6 weeks ago and it was wrapped and we got on in like 20 minutes. And it was super quick and it was easy to get in the park. You don't have to wait for a bus and all that other stuff, which still, all of Disney transportation is good, but the Skyliner is like next level. It's awesome, it's amazing, it's super, super convenient, especially when you're done at the end of the day and it's been a super long day. It's just really easy to jump on and get back quick. So Skyliner is kind of what keeps us coming back to Pop Century. This is not, it's simple, it's perfect for what we need. Honestly, we're in the park 16 hours a day and we're in the room for 8 and 7 hours and 59 minutes it is sleeping because we're so exhausted when we get back. So we're not too worried about the rooms. Obviously, we'd love to come stay at some of the nicer ones just to try them out. But when we're here to do Disney and do it hardcore, parkour, and go all in, we just need somewhere to hit our heads at nighttime. And this is ideal. So highly recommend it. Pop Century is definitely a great place to stay if you're looking for somewhere that's reasonably priced and really convenient to get into the parks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.